Ever had a student enroll, pay, then dispute the charge a week later? Fraudulent transactions can eat into your revenue fast and even trigger account holds. Here's a simple way to monitor potential fraud in your course payments. In Google Sheets, list the customer name, email, and payment status whenever something looks off, like duplicate orders or unexpected refunds. This makes it easier to spot patterns, such as multiple failed attempts from the same address. But here is the problem. By the time you notice, the damage might already be done. Chargebacks and fake enrollments can still cost you real money. That's where EasyPay Direct steps in. Their built-in fraud protection tools automatically flag risky transactions before they go through, protecting your revenue in real time. And with chargeback mitigation, you will catch and resolve disputes early, keeping your merchant account stable. I've linked EasyPay Direct in the description. Check it out to see how their fraud prevention and chargeback alerts safeguard your online course payments. Stop reacting to fraud after it happens. With EasyPay Direct, you can prevent risky transactions and keep your payments secure from the start. Click the link in the description to get started today.